Snaggle emits an alarm call, warning the other clan members of the danger. The lion again attacks one of the pups. However, he doesn't kill it. Obviously, he's not trying to secure food. At this point, Snaggle's clanmates arrive. Yet there is purpose in this madness. His intent is to impress upon them that he, not they, reigns supreme. Lion attacks on hyena pups are in fact not rare. As the lion is gone, the hyenas rush back to their den. What has happened to the pup that came under attack? Is one of the females. She's not the mother, but she does seem thoughtful. Is it just that a lost life is lost forever? With a lifeless body in her grasp, she walks away, and then, in what may seem a shocking move, she starts to eat the pup. Cannibalism like this may seem heartless, but a lost life becomes food for the young lives that survive. Sustenance, after all, is sustenance.